Emma, a senior scientist at biotech, wants to use NOAA to decide whether to start a CLDN18.2 program in gastric cancer quickly. She opens NOAA and types, "Build a decision brief on CLDN18.2 in gastric and GEJ cancer." NOAA parses the request and asks a few quick clarifying questions. Emma answers the questions and clicks Continue. NOAA then generates a transparent, step-by-step analysis plan. Emma can freely edit the steps so the workflow matches how she normally thinks. First, NOAA uses medical search. Connected to PubMed and key academic sites, it quickly summarizes CLDN18.2 biology, expression patterns in gastric and GEJ adenocarcinoma, and potential co-targets and resistance mechanisms. Next, NOAA switches to the Drug Analysis Tool, a comprehensive pipeline database. It maps all CLDN18.2 targeting therapies across modalities and development stages. Emma sees competitive landscapes, key players, and gaps. Then, NOAA calls the Clinical Trial Result Analysis Tool, which, backed by NOAA's proprietary clinical results database, it pulls trial data for CLDN18.2 programs, compares study designs, endpoints, inclusion criteria, efficacy, and safety. To round out the initial pass, NOAA runs finance search. Using SEC filings, earnings call transcripts, market reports, and BD deal databases, it analyzes company strategies and high-level market size assumptions for CLDN18.2. At this point, NOAA pauses and self-checks. Have we covered everything needed for a go or no-go decision? It flags 3 missing angles and proposes additional steps. Web search for global regulatory and reimbursement landscapes. Patent search for the CLDN18.2 patent space and freedom to operate. News search for the latest partnerships, data readouts, and competitive moves. Emma accepts with one click, and NOAA executes these automatically. After incorporating those findings, NOAA identifies 3 final gaps to make the decision brief truly investment grade. It adds a medical search step focused on epidemiology and patient segmentation, a finance search step for deeper financial modeling, a web search step on manufacturing capabilities and infrastructure. With all 10 steps complete, NOAA synthesizes everything into a concise, 12-page decision brief. Emma downloads the full brief and all underlying data tables with a single click. Instead of spending weeks stitching this together across PubMed, clinical trial registries, SEC filings, and news sites, she now has a defendable, end-to-end CLDN18.2 decision package and can focus her time on what really matters, choosing the right strategy for her pipeline.